Hello everyone, welcome back to your maths class. Students, in previous video we had discussed till question number 2 of exercise 9C. Now in today's video let's understand with question number 3. Question number 3 is a dealer bought 50 quintals of rice at the rate of 800 per quintal. It means the cost of 1 quintal, I'm writing in short, cost of 1 quintal rice is rupees 800. Okay, now total rice is 50 quintal, so 50 quintals rice. How we can find the cost of 50 quintal rice? From 1 to more, multiply them. 800 multiply 50, 5 8s are 40, and then 3 zeros. It means 40,000. Now in further line they said he paid 400 rupees as octroi charges and transportation charges. Octroi charges means टैक्सेस वगैरह इंक्लूड हो जाते हैं ऑक्टोरी चार्जेस में एंड ट्रांसपोर्टेशन. ओके, सो इट मीन्स total money he has spent on rice is this plus octroi charges plus transportation charges. Okay, so the CP cost price क्या हो जाएगा आपके लिए? रुपीज 40,000 plus octroi charges which is rupees 400 plus transportation charges which is rupees 600. When you will add them you will get 41,000 rupees, right? So this is the cost price. ये आपका क्या हो गया है? Cost price हो गया है, right? Now students, in next line they said then he sold the whole stock. Whole stock मतलब कितना स्टॉक था? 50 क्वांटल्स ना, तो उन्होंने 50 क्वांटल्स को सोल्ड किया है रुपीज 750 पर क्वांटल. मतलब सेलिंग प्राइस जो है फॉर 1 क्वांटल राइस के लिए कितना है? रुपीज 750. होल स्टॉक इट मीन्स सेलिंग प्राइस फॉर 50 क्वांटल, क्योंकि 50 ही परचेज किए थे, 50 ही सोल्ड कर रहे हैं, विल बी फ्रॉम 1 to more, multiply them. 750 multiply 50 rupees, right? Now when you will multiply them you will get rupees 37,500. This is the selling price. Now we have cost price and selling price both. Let's see what they are asking in the question. They are asking find the gain or loss. Gain or loss find out करना है. आपको पता है अगर selling price greater है then it will be profit, and if selling price is less than cost price this is loss. Okay, so here cost price क्या है? greater है selling price से, it means selling price क्या है? less है. clear? so it is क्या हो रहा है? ये loss हो रहा है. and how we can find the loss? By finding the difference between cost price and selling price. So write the formula. Loss is equals to cost price minus selling price. Put the values. Cost price is rupees 41,000 minus selling price is rupees 37,500. Subtract them. When you will subtract you will get rupees 3,500. So this is the loss. Clear? This is your answer. Loss is rupees 3,500. Next question, question number 4. Find the gain or loss percent. Now they are asking the percent. First of all, CP they have given rupees 750. Overhead expenses is rupees 50. It means जो आप extra spend कर रहे हैं particular article पर, that is rupees 50. So total cost price आपका क्या हो जाएगा? Total CP हो जाएगा आपका रुपीज़ 750. जो CP गिवन है उसमें ऐड कर देंगे ओवरहेड एक्सपेंसेस. इट मीन्स जो एक्स्ट्रा मनी हमने उस आर्टिकल पर स्पेंड की है. सो नाउ टोटल CP इज रुपीज़ 800. राइट. एंड प्रॉफिट दे हैव गिवन. प्रॉफिट इज रुपीज़ 80. प्रॉफिट गिवन है बट दे आर आस्किंग प्रॉफिट परसेंट. प्रॉफिट और गेन का मतलब सेम ही होता है, राइट. सो प्रॉफिट परसेंट के लिए क्या करेंगे? राइट हियर प्रॉफिट परसेंट का फॉर्मूला होता है प्रॉफिट अपॉन CP. टोटल CP जो है आपका टोटल कॉस्ट प्राइस मल्टीप्लाई 100%. Put the values. Profit is rupees 80 upon total CP is rupees 800 multiply 100%. Right. Rupees to rupees cancel out. Zeros to zeros cancel out. 8 tens are 80. So how much percent you are gaining? 10%. Right. So this is your answer. Next, CP they have given, cost price, selling price they have given, and they are asking gain or loss percent. पहले तो ये पता करना है whether we are gaining or we are losing money. So here cost price है ज़्यादा, cost price greater है than selling price. राइट. इट मीन्स हमने ज़्यादा स्पेंड किए हैं, ज़्यादा पर परचेज किया है और लेस पर सेल कर रहे हैं. सो दिस इज लॉस. तो क्या हो रहा है? कॉस्ट प्राइस ग्रेटर है ना, सो इट इज लॉस. राइट. नाउ फाइंड द लॉस. लॉस कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं? डिफरेंस बिटवीन कॉस्ट प्राइस एंड सेलिंग प्राइस. सो राइट हियर CP cost price minus SP selling price. Put the values. Rupees 5200 minus rupees 5070. Okay, when you will subtract you will get rupees 130. This is the loss. ये क्या है? लॉस है. बट दे आर आस्किंग लॉस परसेंट. सो परसेंट कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं? लॉस परसेंट इज इक्वल्स टू लॉस अपॉन कॉस्ट प्राइस. कॉस्ट प्राइस मल्टीप्लाई 100%. पुट द वैल्यूज. लॉस इज रुपीज 130 अपॉन CP इज रुपीज 5200 multiply 100%. Rupees to rupees cancel out. Zeros to zeros cancel out. 13 ones are 13, 0. 13 fours are 52. So this is 10 upon 4%. You can also write it as mixed or decimal fraction. Okay, so 10 divided by 4, 4 twos are 8, subtract 2, no other digit to copy down, so put decimal and take 0, 4 5s are 20. So this is equals to 2.5%. So this is your answer. Next, again they have given cost price and selling price. एंड इन द क्वेश्चन दे वर आस्किंग गेन और लॉस पर्सन. तो पहले चेक करते हैं वेदर इट इज़ द केस ऑफ गेन और द लॉस. हियर कॉस्ट प्राइस क्या है? कॉस्ट प्राइस लेस है देन सेलिंग प्राइस. सो अगर सेलिंग प्राइस ज़्यादा है इट मीन्स दिस इज द केस ऑफ gain, or you can say profit. So it is gain, right? So how we can find the gain? gain के लिए क्या करेंगे? Find the difference between cost price and selling price. selling price greater है, so first of all write selling price minus cost price is equals to selling price is rupees 460 minus cost price is rupees 400. So gain is rupees 60. But in the question they are asking gain percent. So write here gain percent. Gain percent will be in numerator write gain. Denominator will be cost price multiply 100%. Put the values. Gain is rupees 60. Cost price is rupees 400. Multiply 100%. Rupees to rupees cancel out. Zeros to zeros cancel out. Now 4 ones are 4. 4 5s are 20. So this is 15%. So the gain percent is 15%, which is your answer. Next fifth part, cost price is this, overheads is this. मतलब जो extra charges हम spend कर रहे हैं वो है 4000. So total cost price find out कर लेते हैं पहले. Total cost price will be rupees 46,000 plus rupees 4,000. So this will be rupees 50,000, right? And selling price they have given. Selling price is कितना given है? selling price rupees 60,000. Now which one is greater, cost price or selling price? Of course selling price is greater. selling price greater है from the cost price, and selling price अगर greater होता है so it is profit, right? Now how we can find the profit? Profit find out कैसे करेंगे? Profit is equals to difference between selling price and cost price. So right here selling price minus cost price. Clear? So put the value of selling price 60,000, rupees 60,000 minus rupees 50,000. So the profit is rupees 10,000. Profit कितना आ गया? 10,000. But in the question they are asking, क्या पूछा है? Profit, or we can say gain, profit percent. Okay, so this is equals to profit upon CP multiply 100%. Put the values. Profit is rupees 10,000 upon cost price is rupees 50,000 multiply 100%. Zeros to zeros cancel out. 0 to 0 cancel out. Now this is 5 2s are 10, 0, and rupees to rupees cancel out. So this is 20%, right? So he is gaining 20%, which is your answer. Now students, today we have discussed question number 3 and question number 4 of exercise 9C. In next video we will discuss with the question number 5, Till then, keep doing practice and be safe at your home. Thank you. Have a good day.